the Delhi Chief Minister has now put out an appeal for the people of Delhi to stay calm, to ensure that they stay safe, stay indoors at the moment, but do not panic is a message that is coming in. Even as we speak, multiple states have issued alert across in their various states. In fact, Devendra Fadnavis has spoken to his officers, so has UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. All of them are being careful. The movements at various stations, railway stations, and also at airports are being watched carefully as well. Let me go back to Anmol Bali, who joins us from LNJP Hospital. Anmol, give us a sense of where you are, and of course, those family members would be grieving, and of course, it has come as a bolt from the blue. Delhi had not seen blasts in several years, and here is an incident which has shaken the entire country.
As you know, in last 1 decade, Delhi hasn't seen this kind of blast, because this was very sudden and this took place at very crowded place of the national capital, Delhi, the Lal Killa. And what we are being told by our sources that soon Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta and Delhi Power Minister and Home Minister Ashish Sood will be visiting the LNJP hospital to meet the victims of the blast, the people, the relatives of the people, those who have lost their life. But behind me, I'll show you that security situation has been beefed up, and the more police has started coming here. And earlier also we have seen that Home Minister Amit Shah came here, and he was with the Delhi Police Chief, and the Delhi Health Minister Pankaj Singh has also visited, and the top brass of the Delhi government and the centre government, they are talking with the hospital staff to know what kind of injuries have people got. And as I've talked with one of the doctors inside the hospital, and he has informed me that what kind of major injuries people have got, like blast wave related injuries, like eardrum damage, internal injuries, shrapnel and fragmentation injuries of body due to the body parts being thrown and scattered due to high intensity blast, and burns and fire related injuries because nearby vehicles have caught fire while this blast took place. But behind me, I'll show you in the visuals, one more ambulance has arrived here, and the other ambulance I'll also show you has arrived here. So in a row ambulances are coming and going from the LNJP hospital. And we have also seen that HM Amit Shah came here. He discussed about the blast and details of the people, those who are injured in this blast. Around 8 people have lost their life in this blast, and more than around 20 people are seriously injured. So they are being treated inside. Majority of the people are admitted to the emergency ward, and the other people, those who are gravely injured, are shifted to the burn department of the hospital, which is one of the famous department of the LNJP hospital for the treatment. And yes, currently the paramedic and the medical staff is investigating what kind of majority injuries people have got in this blast. Maria.
Okay, let's also listen in to one of the eyewitness accounts which has come in now. Shreya, who has been on the ground and very close to the site of the blast for the last few hours, has spoken to one of the eyewitnesses. Listen in to what he told her.
सर, आप देखे क्या और कहाँ पे आप थे जहाँ से आपको ये नजारा देखने को मिला? थोड़ा बताइए।
मैं गेट नंबर 1 पर मेट्रो पे, मैं अंदर जा रहा हूँ, घर जा रहा था अपने, तो देखा जब ब्लास्ट हुआ है तो उधर न जाके फिर इधर आ गया बचाने के लिए।
तो ब्लास्ट होते हुए आपने देखा?
जी, आधी गाड़ी ऊपर उड़ गई थी, आधी रह गई थी नीचे। जब ब्लास्ट हुआ तो मैं देखा उस गाड़ी का तो कोई बचा नहीं, जो औरों में आग लगी है उस गाड़ी के थ्रू, उसमें से तो बचा लें। फिर एक बंदा उसमें से घायल था जिसको पहुंचाया गया, एम्बुलेंस आई है, और फिर 4 बॉडी निकाली है, 2 बॉडी नीचे रोड पे से उठा के।
कौन सी गाड़ी थी जिसमें ब्लास्ट हुई?
प्राइवेट गाड़ी है, इतना पता, बाकी कमर्शियल गाड़ी ज्यादा फूकी है। टैक्सी ड्राइवर ड्रेस में।
प्राइवेट गाड़ी आप कैसे कह सकते हैं?
प्राइवेट प्लेट थी ना मेरे पास, उसके सामने ही पड़ी थी ना, जिसमें गाड़ी फटी है। आधी गाड़ी नीचे थी, आधी का कोई पता नहीं, इधर उधर गिरी है, जो उस पर लिखा था। HR नंबर है वो मोहम्मद नदीम के नाम से किसी।
कैसे कह सकते हो?
नदीम खान, फोन पे चेक करा है ना।
तो गाड़ी का नंबर आपके पास है?
गाड़ी का नंबर मैं बताता रहा हूँ, 7674 है, लास्ट तक डिजिट देख पाया हूँ। इतने पुलिस वाला मेरे हाथ से वो प्लेट ले गया।
तो 7674 में आपने चेक कर लिया कि नदीम?
हाँ जी, यही है नदीम खान, पूरी डिटेल लिख दिया है उसकी, हरियाणा की। मैंने बोला सर ये तो नदीम खान करके कुछ आ रहा है, एक कांस्टेबल से चेक करवाया था सर पुलिस वालों ने।
लेकिन HR नंबर गाड़ी?
HR का नंबर है, HR हरियाणा का।
ठीक है।
Let me bring in Shreya again. Shreya, the nature of investigation now, the entire focus has shifted to that. It's a multi-agency probe. The NIA, the NSG, the special police of Delhi, the special cell of Delhi police have all been here for the last few hours to gather evidence, to collect every evidence which is present at the spot. The entire area has been barricaded, as we have been saying. The entire movement around the Chandni Chowk area has been barricaded. So only journalists, perhaps, or the press personnel are being allowed. Largely for the movement of others, this entire area is blocked. Anmol, let me come back to you again. The eyewitnesses are certainly talking about a high impact blast. They are talking about how what they saw minutes after that blast took place, a moving vehicle with 3 people, and then the blast happens. Of course, it's a subject of investigation, what happened and how it happened. But when you speak to the doctors who are treating those who are injured, what are they telling you?
Basically, doctors are saying that those who are gravely injured, are not just physically injured, but they are also in trauma, because this was a high intensity blast due to which various parts of the people, body parts of the people were scattered into the air, which gave them injuries like shrapnel injuries or pellet injuries, but they are not only hit on their body, but they are also in the trauma. So many people have got eardrums related injuries, but we are being told by the people the wave related injuries. So they are being treated, and many people have been shifted to burn department of the hospital, which is one of the non-department of the LNJP hospital, and many other people, those who are gravely injured, have been shifted to emergency, and various of the doctors like resident doctors, the junior doctors, those who were on the leave or were on the off, they have been called at the LNJP hospital. They have been called at a single call to just come fast to the hospital. So yeah, the hospital is on the alert mode, and we have also seen that the various political leaders have come to the hospitals. And when the blast took place, initially we have seen the ambulances were coming in a row, and they were going in a row in both inside and outside the hospital. And relatives have also started pouring in very large number. While I went inside the hospital, I have talked with the people, those who reside around the Chandni Chowk area, and many were depressed and many were tensed. They were finding their relatives, they were finding the people, those who they know, and they were at the Lal Killa. So yes, the relatives are also pouring in a large number, but yeah, doctors are controlling the situation inside at the emergency ward, and security has been beefed here, both here outside the hospital, because I'll show you behind me the barricading has been done, and both inside the hospital, press persons and no other person who's related to the injured or the dead people is allowed to enter inside the hospital. So Maria, administration and everyone is on emergency and alert mode, and they're keeping eye on the situation. Doctors are also keeping eye on the initial medical situation of the injured and the dead.
Okay, Home Minister Amit Shah has put out a tweet now, even as we speak. Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, is likely to visit the LNJP hospital. Home Minister Amit Shah saying that he's pained beyond words by the loss of lives in a blast in Delhi. My deepest condolences to those who have lost their loved ones. Have visited the blast site and have also met the injured in the hospital. My prayers for their quick recovery. He goes on to say top agencies are investigating the incident with full intensity and will go in depth into the incident. So important part there. Agencies are investigating the incident and they will go into full depth of what really happened, is the word coming in. Let me bring in Sushant Mehra now. He is where I am, very close to the site of the blast. An important point which has been made by some of the officers here, Sushant, कि वहाँ पर जो blast का site है, वहाँ पे crater नहीं है और कोई black spots नहीं दिख रहे, तो ये शायद एक incident of terror blast नहीं हो. आपने बहुत सारे लोगों से बात की है, क्या आपको पता चल रहा है?
और वहाँ से 3 बॉडियाँ और एक पेशेंट लेके हम LNJP आए.
बाद में क्या सिलसिला रहा जब ब्लास्ट हुआ? ब्लास्ट पे जब आप साइट पर पहुंचे तो आपने सबसे पहले क्या देखा वहाँ पर? क्या क्या आपने?
वहाँ गाड़ियाँ जली हुई देखी, पहुँचते ही हमने जब अंदर जहाँ हमारी गाड़ियाँ खड़ी थी उससे थोड़ी सी दूर, मतलब 10-15 कदम दूर पहले ही गाड़ियाँ रुक गई थी हमारी। फिर वहाँ से हम पैदल गए अपने स्टेशन लेके। तो कुछ गाड़ी, एक डेड बॉडी गाड़ी के ऊपर थी, एक ज़मीन पे थी, एक गाड़ी में थी, जो हम अपने गाड़ी में यहाँ LNJP लेकर आए।
तो कितनी बार आप वहाँ पर गए बॉडी?
हम एक ही दफ़ा गए थे। एक ही दफ़ा में हमें 4 बंदे मिले और हम चारों को लिया है। हमारे से पहले कुछ ई-रिक्शा, ऑटो के अंदर आया, लेकिन उसके बारे में हमें नहीं पता।
किस तरीके की लोगों को चोटें आ रखी थी, कैसे थे?
नहीं, लोगों को घायल बंदे तो वहाँ मिले नहीं हमें। ऑन द स्पॉट मरे हुए ही बंदे मिले थे। ये 3 बंदे थे मरे हुए जो हमारे आंखों के सामने थे, और एक घायल था जिसके सर में और एक उंगली कटी हुई थी उस बेचारे की। उसने हमारे ड्राइवर से फ़ोन लिया, अपनी मिसिस को फ़ोन करा, उसकी मिसिस भी शायद अंदर ही है।
ज़्यादातर जो लोग आपने देखे जब आप वहाँ पहुँचे इनिशियली, सबसे पहले किस तरीके की चोटें लोगों को ज़्यादातर आ रखी थी वहाँ पर?
नहीं, वहाँ से भीड़ हटा रखी थी। दिल्ली पुलिस वहाँ पहुँची भी थी, और क्या नाम है, हम जब वहाँ पहुँचे तो दिल्ली पुलिस अपना काम कर रही थी, फायर वाले अपना काम कर रहे थे, और जब पुलिस वालों ने ही बेचारों ने हाथ लगवा के हमारे को गाड़ी के अंदर डेड बॉडियाँ रखवाई। क्यों, हम सारे सिंगल ड्राइवर गए थे और 4-4, 5-5 बंदे उठा के उसमें गाड़ी के अंदर